Hey there, YouTube. It's me, Skater889, and we just had a severe hailstorm, like about that size. It's about half of a golf ball size. It's kind of melted a little bit though. But man, we had like tons of this, like just storming down, and like, and my mom's car got dented a little bit outside too. Sucks, man. I'll see if I can get a good view out here, but probably not. There's no hail out there. Well, just to let you know, we got a severe hailstorm, and it was like there were like a clumps way bigger than this. I mean like that big, something like that. It's just crazy. I say crazy, but yeah. Hmm, hmm, yeah, major hailstorm, not cool.